Tesla plans to report its second quarter results on Wednesday after the market closes, and all eyes are on the company's bottom line this period. That's because a fourth consecutive quarter of reported profitability on a GAAP basis would make Elon Musk's electric car company eligible to join the S&P 500 index. Speculation has mounted that the company will hit this milestone, a full year of reported profitability, since Tesla reported a record number of car deliveries earlier in July. Elon Musk fueled the rumors, sending an email to employees implying that there's a chance the company will break even for the quarter. Shares have jumped more than 50% this month alone, adding to the stock's more than threefold increase this year, as investors have bet on the company's inclusion, which could mean a sudden jump in demand from passive funds that track the benchmark. But it's not a done deal. Even if the company does report a fourth consecutive quarter of GAAP profits, there's no guarantee that it will be added to the S&P 500. The makeup of the S&P 500 is determined by what's known as the Index Committee at S&P Dow Jones Indices. Inclusion in the index is based on quantitative as well as qualitative factors. Companies must be US-based, and listed on either the NYSE, the NASDAQ or the CBOE. They also must have a market cap of more than $8.2 billion, and report 4 straight quarters of profit as determined by Generally Accepted Accounting Principles (GAAP). Even if a company meets these criteria as well as the other stipulations, however, it still does not guarantee inclusion in the index, according to Howard Silverblatt, senior index analyst at S&P Dow Jones Indices. The purpose of the index is to emulate the U domestic common market, he said. When you go to put a company in, to actually select it, it's got to fit into the algorithm in that it represents the market, it has liquidity, it has size, he added. The committee meets on a quarterly basis to rebalance the index, and the next meeting is scheduled for the third Friday in September. But Silverblatt said companies can be added or removed from the S&P at any time. Given the potentially market-moving nature of additions and deletions from the index, the process is tightly guarded. Even companies that are set to be added receive no advance warning. Silverblatt said that a notice typically goes out at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Time 5 trading days before a company is set to join the index. There are particular challenges to adding a company of Tesla's size to the index, since every other component's weighting would subsequently have to be adjusted. Additionally, it would force index investors to sell portions of their other 499 stock holdings to make room for the company. With a market capitalization of $304 billion, according to FactSet, Tesla is the 12th largest U company, ahead of names like JP Morgan, United Health and Home Depot.